Alright everyone, so this is the completed weld right here, and I did go in halfway with the Dremel tool, grind out sort of this like mass of black yuck that was building up at the forefront of the weld bead. So I ground that out, then came in and welded the rest of it out. As you can see, the weld bead is very clean. The contaminated material has stayed to the edge of the cleaned area formed by the AC pulse, coming backwards. And it looks pretty good, not bad at all. So next step will be going to the back side, grinding out the weld, and then welding it up the same way. So I hope you've enjoyed it. The key to aluminum is you gotta just be clean, 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 and clean again. So one thing of note here is that I did come back with a torch, propane torch, and I did heat up the aluminum because, as I told you before, my breaker tripped. So one of the challenges with welding at home is, well, sometimes the power supplies in houses are not designed for welding. So usual houses, you got anywhere from 10, 15, 20 amp breakers, which are standard. Most welders, you want at least 20 amps for the welder, and for MIG machines that's fine, but TIG welding aluminum pulls a lot of power, okay, a lot, and you're going to trip breakers if you don't have a good one in there. So if you think of it kind of like AC welding will pretty much draw twice as much power for the same kind of weld as you expect with steel. So you got to make sure you have a very good, robust power supply, really heavy extension cords if you need to use one, and that you have a good breaker on there. Otherwise you're going to be running and resetting that thing constantly. So I hope you enjoyed it. Aluminum is not impossible to do, but you just have to remember you got to be clean and prepare your materials effectively and carefully. Alright, enjoy.